TechFix Guides channel, solving your everyday problems one video at a time.
OneDrive stuck on sync pending forever, seeing red X icons, cloud symbols, or files that never finish syncing. Don't panic yet, because most OneDrive sync problems are usually caused by a specific file, a storage issue, a paused sync setting, or a small account problem. And in many cases, you can fix it without deleting your files. In this video, I'll walk you through the full safe fix process step by step. Let's start with something important first, understanding the icons, because the icon itself often tells you what type of problem you're dealing with. A blue cloud icon means the file is online only. The file exists in OneDrive, but it is not fully downloaded to your PC. A green checkmark means the file synced successfully and is available locally. Sync arrows mean OneDrive is actively syncing files right now. That's usually normal. A red X means there's a sync problem that needs attention. And sync pending means OneDrive is stuck waiting or processing a file. Now that you understand the icons, let's move to the first real fix step. Open the OneDrive activity panel. Go to the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it, click the hidden icons arrow first. Now click the cloud icon. This opens the OneDrive activity panel. This area is extremely important because OneDrive often tells you exactly what file is causing the problem. Carefully look for failed files, stuck folders, or warning messages. Sometimes you'll immediately see invalid file name, storage full, file in use, upload blocked, or another specific error. This is why checking the activity panel first saves so much time. Now let's check whether sync is paused. Inside the OneDrive panel, look for pause syncing. Sometimes sync was paused accidentally, and when that happens, files appear stuck forever, even though OneDrive is simply waiting. If syncing is paused, resume it and wait a few moments. Next, check whether your OneDrive account is properly signed in. Sometimes OneDrive silently disconnects or asks for credentials again. Open OneDrive settings and confirm. Your account is connected, there are no sign-in warnings, and OneDrive is actively connected. Now let's check storage. If your OneDrive cloud storage is full, sync may stop working correctly. Open Manage storage inside OneDrive or Microsoft account settings. Check how much storage remains. Sometimes even a single large video file can push the account over quota. And when that happens, sync problems begin appearing everywhere. Now let's talk about stuck files. This is one of the most common causes of sync pending forever. A file may be still open in another app, extremely large, using invalid characters, or stored inside a very long folder path. For example, Office files still open in Word, or Excel can block syncing. Large uploads can also take much longer than expected, especially on slower internet. And invalid file names can completely stop syncing. So carefully check which file is stuck. Close open files first. Then rename problematic files if needed. Now let's talk about processing changes. This message scares a lot of people, but it often means OneDrive is still working in the background. This can happen after signing into OneDrive again, moving many files, syncing huge folders, or uploading large videos. Sometimes the best fix is simply giving OneDrive more time, especially after major file changes. Now here's another important issue: Office document cache. Sometimes OneDrive sync problems are actually related to Microsoft Office syncing. You may notice Office files stuck on pending forever. Microsoft recommends checking Office upload/cache behavior in these cases. If Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files are involved, closing those apps completely can sometimes fix the issue immediately. Now let's move to a stronger fix step, unlinking and relinking OneDrive. And this sounds scary, but usually it's safe. Unlinking OneDrive does not delete your cloud files. It simply reconnects the local OneDrive app to your Microsoft account again. To do this, open OneDrive settings, go to Account, then choose Unlink this PC. After that, sign back in again and reconnect OneDrive. This refreshes the sync connection and often fixes stubborn sync issues. Now, if the problem still continues, Microsoft also provides official troubleshooting tools and support pages. And this is important. Only use official Microsoft support resources. Avoid random websites telling you to delete important system files or install sketchy cleanup tools. Most OneDrive problems do not require dangerous fixes, so let's quickly recap the safest troubleshooting process. First, understand the OneDrive icons. A blue cloud means the file is online only. A green checkmark means the file synced successfully and is stored locally. Sync arrows mean OneDrive is actively syncing. A red X means there's a sync problem. And sync pending means OneDrive is stuck waiting or processing something. Once you understand the icons, the next step is opening the OneDrive activity panel. Click the OneDrive cloud icon near the Windows clock. This panel is extremely important because OneDrive often tells you exactly which file is causing the problem. Look carefully for failed files, stuck folders, or warning messages. Sometimes the issue is simple. For example, a file still open in another app, invalid file name characters, storage full, or a huge upload still processing. Next, check whether sync is paused. Sometimes OneDrive was paused accidentally, and files appear stuck forever, even though syncing is simply waiting. Then confirm your Microsoft account is still connected correctly. If OneDrive is signed out or asking for credentials, sync may stop completely. After that, check your storage quota. If OneDrive cloud storage is full, new files may stop syncing. And remember, large files can also create delays, especially on slower internet. Now let's talk about processing changes. A lot of people panic when they see this message, but sometimes OneDrive is simply handling many new files, large uploads, or recent changes. In those cases, waiting a little longer may actually solve the problem. Another important step is checking Office files. Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents can sometimes get stuck in sync because they're still open or waiting for Office cache updates. Closing those apps completely can sometimes fix the issue instantly. And if nothing else works, you can safely try unlinking and relinking OneDrive. This sounds scary, but usually it does not delete cloud files. It simply reconnects your PC to the OneDrive account again. And finally, if the issue still continues, use Microsoft's official support tools instead of random websites or risky fixes. Now here's the biggest takeaway from this entire guide. Don't panic and start deleting files immediately. Most OneDrive sync problems are temporary or connected to one specific file, folder, or account issue. The safest process is check carefully, move step by step, and identify the exact cause first. Because once you understand what OneDrive is actually waiting for, the fix usually becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more practical Windows and tech troubleshooting videos. And check out the next guide for more safe fixes that help solve common PC problems without risking your files or data.